Hello, yes, good afternoon. I think I'll make this video number 1 and very brief. That's Luke. Yes, I've traded my Hornet in for this. T120 2 litre 1200 Bonneville. No, it isn't, it's a loan bike. I just had a couple of test rides. Well, first one lasted 50 minutes, second one about 20. And I thought I'd just do a little brief one to upload while I'm waiting. Just filled it up because he said bring it back with a full tank. So I put 5.5 litres in and it's brimmed it, but I struggled with the cap. It's on a weird... you undo it and then there's a thread. Well, I don't know, there's no hinges, so it's like a traditional thing. Yeah, 120. T120. On the British bike, used to mean it'd do 120 mile an hour. And if it's same story with this. I've not had an opportunity to open it up because the roads are so bloody congested. Even the motorway. Yeah, it's a nice little thing. Say little, 1200, bigger than my Hornets. Doesn't look like a 1200 though, does it? It looks tiny. And I said on my other 2 videos that when I set off I didn't realise it was in rain mode. It was road, rain. You know, and when it's in rain mode the throttle response isn't as good. And he said to me, have you got ABS? He does. He mentioned ABS, unless he means it simulates ABS. Oh, he has on the back. He's not on the front. Let's have a look. Anyway, like I said, I opened it up in rain mode and there's a bit of a flat spot, so I switched it to road mode and it's a lot more punchy and the acceleration's a lot better. Well, it would be rain mode, it's for safety so you don't slip. Yeah, I was looking for a shop window to see myself in it and see if I drowned it or not, because I can imagine it looking tiny with me on, but I suppose it's going to be the same with any bike I get. I should have done a test on the 1200 Tiger, shouldn't I? Well, yeah, this is nice. It's sort of... well, it is, isn't it? It does resemble an old British bike. That's the idea behind them. With modern electronics. I was saying on my other videos, it appears to be fly-by-wire as well, because they don't carry steel wires inside. It feels a little bit snatchy. Still, it's been an experience, a change from my Hornets, I suppose. Heated grips built in, wonder what that was. I've been looking at all the little gizmos, there's a gear indicator, clock, something off, 2 trip meters, miles per gallon, it said 59.7. That's with tootling probably. Rain road. And it red lines at 7,000 revs. I thought, oh yeah, that's low. And the speedo goes up to 130. So like I said, if it says T120, be like the old British things, they'll do 120 miles an hour. Bars are a bit wide, aren't they? And the mirrors are. I have to be careful getting out of my back gate. It sort of suits all these now, doesn't it? See. Got a train for me backyard at last. I think someone's had a pillion on and they've scratched it there. I like that Blackie. Your friends are better not wee on that. I'm going to have a brew and then take it back. I said I'd bring it back at half 4. And I thought I'd show you a brief little upload, but I'm not sure whether to bother doing the first one. I was just tootling around, stuck in traffic and stuck behind bloody fine vehicles for best part of 50 minutes. And then I stopped at that fishing lake and did a little brief one home. Well, I went back via that countryside route that lay by near the pine tree wood. But even that, I think I'll just leave it at this. Oh, you want to hear the engine, don't you? What's the deal? You're being very cuddly. Yeah, it's a revving engine, why not? Sounds turned off. Is that a warning light? Oh, yeah, it says ABS on there, flashing. Can you hear that? No, neutral, it's better. Can you put the side stand down in neutral? You should be able to. Yep. Sounds alright, doesn't it? I was saying on the road though that I think I'll be taking the baffles out to make it sound like a more authentic British bike replica. I said before though, why doesn't what's it called, John Bluer, who bought Triumph, buy the rights to BSA and churn out some nice BSA models again? I mean, the BSA badge is just as iconic and as nice and attractive to buyers as this Triumph. Let's have a look at the Triumph logo. I heard a fan coming on. The engine was getting very warm. Is it an oil cooler or a radiator? A little fan on. Oh yes, raised lettering. Nice thing, isn't it? Nice thing. Now I'm 54, I should think about getting one. I'll ask how much you are when I go back. My neighbour's just seen me coming in. I said, I've got a new bike. I said, no, it's a loan bike. I said, I think they're about 10,000, I'm not sure. Or are they 8,000? Soon find out. Anyway, I'll have a brew. I think I'll upload this while I'm making me brew. Bye for now.